nights all alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep.
All I do is wish that I could change myself. I wish that I could change my. All I do is wait around and hate myself. Oh, I hate the way I need to. All we do is make up and break up. Why don't we just wake up and see? Yeah.
Give me all your love and don't stop. My love's waiting when you reach the top. All night long.
A few hours later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blessing Alright, and in today's video guys, we are doing another phone unboxing. So yes, today I picked up the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm ditching my 13 Pro, which I've used for about a year and a half now. I think it's a good time to let it go. I think the major reason I actually opted to buy this iPhone is because of the 15 times zoom that it has on the video camera. I think that is just so handy, especially because I go to like a lot of concerts, and you know, having a really good zoom allows me to like really get a good view of the artist performing from wherever I am in the stadium or in the venue or the location or wherever. Anyway, so yes, that was literally the one thing that spurred me into action, because I currently have like 8 times zoom on my iPhone 13 Pro. So it's almost like I'm doubling my zoom capacity, right? So I'm not going to ramble on too long. I'm not like a tech expert or whatever. I'm literally just like a regular user, like I'm sure most of us are. So yes, this video is for me to basically unbox. I'll probably input the parts where I picked up the iPhone from the Apple store, because yes, I actually went to pick up the phone from the Apple store earlier today because delivery was going to take like another week, and I really just wanted to lay my hands on it as fast as possible. So which is why I opted to go in store to pick it up. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into unboxing my brand new iPhone. So like I said, I bought the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I got it in blue. My current iPhone is also in blue. So yes, I mean, I just roll like that, you know. I really like blue. Blue is like my favorite color. So it was just perfect. And I got it in 256 gig. I would have gone for a higher, you know, memory capacity, but I recently bought this external hard drive which I can connect to my phone to sort of do like an external backup. If you're a content creator watching this, you might also want to do that, because I know how much space we need. Like, it's insane the amount of space we actually need. So yes, that hard drive has literally been saving my life, which is why I was able to do 256 gig for this phone still. So yes guys, let's just get straight into the unboxing. I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's do it.
Come into my bedroom, honey. What I got will make you spend money all night long.
Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah. Girl, I got a question for you. Can I get an answer? Yeah. Feel like I did too much. Feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty.
I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body
with you.
all night.
Don't need no other hands. You into the
sunlight. Hold my body
with you.
all night. Hold my body. Hey.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down and you alive. Just like animals like animals. You got a fast car, and I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. I like me better when I die every night with you. I like me better when I'm with you. Memories follow me left and right. I can feel over it. You take up every corner of my mind. In the way on a Tuesday night, got the music high, and you're by my side. I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else. Yeah, our love is gone cold, you're intertwining your soul with somebody else. No, no, no. Oh baby, everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody but you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Every minute of every hour, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you more. Don't make me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you, me love you? It's all over. 'Cause I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. Shawty is like a melody in my head that I can't keep. Oh, got me singing like na 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 every day. It's like my iPod stuck in replay. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone. When you're standing there in your underwear and my t-shirt from the night before, with your messed up hair and your feet still bare, would you mind closing the bedroom door? Come on, girl, why you frontin'? Baby, show me something. When I call her, she gon' leave, and I bet that $5 she gon' cheat. In my head, I see you all over me. In my head, you fulfill my fantasy. In my head, you'll be screaming loud. In my head, it's going down. In my head, it's going down. In my head.
Spending all my nights all alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep.
All I do is wish that I could change myself. I wish that I could change my. All I do is wait around and hate myself. Oh, I hate the way I need to. All we do is make up and break up.
So we have now come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed unboxing my new iPhone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.